look at that.
What's the new one of these?
That's some designing going on there. I can't back on throw 6 on there.
Yeah, they made like 60 or something. Like they must have had like 100.
I don't know.
They just made a 60. Like,
I think they made. I think I remember like Chuck's father having like a 50-year jacket.
6-year jacket. What up?
what, this whole thing?
Yeah.
Just threw it together.
Is it alumni weekend going on here? I didn't realize.
You just pour that all over.
Look at the snort. As soon as the fire goes, people come from all over. Like zombies.
Elke and Matt's baby.
Okay, your son had an accident.
This is an Echo product. This child. He's all Echo through and through.
Give me the bucket.
There Russell goes again. There Russell goes deserting us.
Hopefully we can get the s'mores going.
How are you? I'm Lisa.
Hi, nice to meet you, Scott.
Scott, we emailed many a time. It's very nice to meet you. Say hi.
Huge on email.
Say hi.
Oh my god, it's starting.
I know. It's raining.
That is absolutely ridiculous.
Jamie, let's show.
S'mores. We'll do paint s'mores.
Get you one more.
Someone's gonna think that you think that that's the style.
S'mores. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Get ready for s'mores. Sandy hands. Not ideal for s'mores.
Should I take them out? Did you get the whole process?
It's called.
No, Jamie.
You get a lot of footage going on there.
Yes, I'm trying. I'm not supposed to be taping for this long, but
Long time.
Leave it